dude making this turn, he knew better. He knew better. This needs no explanation. You already see what's about to happen. My light is green. Can I go? I don't understand what training manual told you that this was okay to do, sir. Like, you're in the opposite. Just to go up this hill instead of doing it the way you're supposed to. Go up the street and around. I'm watching this unfold in front of me, and then I'm wondering, are our children really safe with these bus drivers today? Let's clap it up. He made it all the way to the red light. As you can see, I do have a green arrow, and these wonderful people just don't care. But looked at me like I was wrong. I tell you, people. Sir, you didn't see me? He doesn't know how to use his side mirrors. You already knew that you needed to be in this lane. What was wrong with you? Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot. You like to do things illegally. Watch this. At least he used the turn signal. Excuse me, sir, while I squeeze right on past you. Thank you very much. Just say no. Just say no. Sir, you had plenty of time to turn before my light turned green. See, now you're rushing. You're gonna make a mistake. See, I told you, sir, you're gonna make a mistake. Look, running a red light for no reason, because you're going too fast. Everybody was wrong in this scenario. I should have just stopped and waited, but I didn't. Sorry. Quit texting and driving. If you had gotten them to school on time, you wouldn't be mad driving. Don't you just hate it when people don't know where they're going and then figure it out 2 minutes too late? Drivers like this get up under my skin, because it's like you already knew that you need to be in this lane, but instead of being like everybody else and getting in the lane and falling back, you want to jump over at the last minute. Now see, this is what's going on in the front. We got this full parking because, you know, of course he had to take up my time. In the back, we got this going on. See, he just cut in front of somebody. Now they about to start honking because somebody is backing out and they not paying attention. And the sign says stop except right turn. If you're turning left, then just move over so us folks turning right will have enough space. Make it make sense, people. I don't understand. Why does everybody need to be in this lane? Why were you in that lane to begin with if you needed to be on this side? Explain it to me, because I don't get it. I know you couldn't see it, but this ninja coming through here, he did not stop at the stop sign. How am I supposed to know what you're doing and then you put your signal on after I turn? Make it make sense, people. limit on this road is 30. How you gonna come all the way into my lane and slow all the way down? Please, again, people, make this make sense. I don't even know what to say about this. This just doesn't even make any kind of sense to me. Again, parents of today, great role models. Let us cross the wrong way on the street. It's beautiful. I'm telling you, it's beautiful. Have you subscribed to the channel? Are you enjoying what you're watching? Please let me know down in the comments if you like it, if you enjoy it, and would you like to see more of it? He's allergic to it, and he's late with it. Make it make sense. He just couldn't wait any longer. It was taking too long. He was like, I'm out. If you know that you're a late person and you need to speed, then maybe you should start setting a reminder time or an alarm early enough so that you're not driving recklessly. It's not worth your life to shave 3 seconds off of your wait time. Why are we stopping? We don't need to stop. We don't have a stop sign. There's nothing to stop for. I am a huge advocate for older people having to retake their driver's test. The speed limit is 25 and we are going 10 miles an hour. I know it doesn't look like it, but we're only going 10 miles an hour. This person rode their brake the entire time. I was on my way to the airport. Now this lane that I'm in is perfectly fine to be in, but this gentleman in the maroon Jeep wanted to be in my lane because he needed to cross over and started coming over on me as I'm driving. I'm like, excuse me, sir, we cannot occupy the same space. Two atoms cannot occupy the same space. We cannot. It just doesn't work. But for those of you that live in Pittsburgh, if you know, this is a cluster. It makes no sense. The person that created this system was drunk or high, one or the other. I don't know, because this doesn't make any sense. You want to go to the airport, you need to be in these 2 lanes that I'm in. That lady right there takes forever to get over. I'm like, just come on and get over. And then the other guy needs to get over. Because these 2 lanes are the 376 West. The other 2 lanes take you somewhere totally different. So everybody's trying to crisscross. 4 lanes under a bridge. This is too much. I'm telling you, this is too much. We need a new system, people. We're still on our way to the airport. But see, these cars are in the fire lane because this is the exit that most people need to get off at. And what are they doing? They are lining up now. Because look at this. The traffic is ridiculous going this direction. This makes no sense. Make it make sense. I don't understand. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for being a part of the Bestie crew. The Adventure Time videos will be coming out once a week. I don't know which day, but that'll be it. So for those who just enjoy watching all of the car clips, get ready for a video at least once a week. This fool right here decided to go around me because he couldn't wait. Because there was a car in front of me turning left. So he wanted to shoot around me because I was going straight too. Just to get here. I guess he was really hungry because now he's turning to go to Wendy's, and it's like, it wasn't that serious, bro. You could have waited 2 seconds. Now, this is 10:30 at night. What do you need to be in a rush for that you are literally jumping in front of folks coming through a green light? I don't understand. I guess you just had to be in front of me. That's what it was. You had to be first to get to this light before me. That's what it was. It was a race, right?